I'm Kailash Pandey. I'm at Tulane University School of Medicine, and we are working on the atrial natriuretic peptide and its receptor system in the heart. And ANP, it is called ANP, atrial natriuretic peptide, and BNP. And ANP, BNP, they bind the receptor, and the receptor is called NPRA. The gene is NPR1, and by binding the hormone to the receptor, signal is produced, cyclic GMP, and that becomes very important in the heart and kidney function. Before, it was known that it mainly functions on the kidney and adrenal gland to reduce the water and sodium from the body and reduce the volume overload. But now there is paradigm shift. Now we know that ANP, BNP, they activate the receptor and its major function in the heart. So it looks like initial thought that it was mostly on the directed towards the kidney and adrenal gland. There is paradigm shift, because major function looks like in the heart, because if you disrupt the receptor gene in the mouse model, in the animal model, they have massive cardiac hypertrophy and they have fibrosis, and they produce various inflammatory cytokines and matrix proteins, and the heart becomes very enlarged, massive enlargement. So now it is very well documented. We have proven that with the ANP, BNP and its receptor function, heart is very much protected. And when this receptor is not functioning, then heart becomes very large, becomes hypertrophied and fibrotic, and various inflammatory molecules are produced. In that one, NF-kappa B is the major central molecule, which is activated, and then it goes in the nucleus and binds the DNA molecule and initiate transcription of various other molecules, which are very detrimental for the heart. For example, various cytokines, pro-inflammatory cytokines, pro-fibrotic cytokines, matrix metalloproteinases with their matrix proteins, and also it initiates the production of the collagen. And in that condition, then heart is very much enlarged and its function is very much reduced, and then it makes heart hypertrophied and congestive heart failure. And these mouse model now they represent very much to the human heart disease and human hypertension. So it's the heart which is very much affected by disrupting this gene. And now we prove with these our initial studies and new studies, that the ANP and BNP and the receptor are very important to protect the heart.